Want a quick, healthy meal that makes itself? Today we are making a treasure recipe from Okinawa, Japan's southern island, that dates back 500 years to the Ryukyu Kingdom. Let's make Okinawan Jushi right in the rice cooker. 150 grams of rice. Rinse the rice until the water runs clear. Drain the rinsed rice thoroughly. 50 grams of carrot. Peel the carrot and cut into thin, small pieces. One shiitake mushroom or regular mushrooms, slice thinly. $50 grams of pork loin. It's important to use the dashi from the pork in this dish. Pork belly is also recommended. $10 grams of green onion, finely chopped. $2.5 grams of dried hijiki, can be skipped if unavailable. Rehydrate with water. Next, make the sauce. 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of shantan or your preferred bouillon or stock, a dash of dashi powder. Mix well. Put the drained rice into the rice cooker pot. $200 ml of water. Add the pre-made sauce. Mix well. Add the cut carrot. Add the sliced shiitake mushrooms. Add the rehydrated hijiki. Spread evenly. Add the sliced pork. Spread evenly. Cook as you normally would rice. Once cooked, mix well. Garnish with finely chopped green onion if desired. Okinawan savory rice Jushi is complete. Enjoy!